This is the IGCSE English, it's a second language, code 0510. This is the speaking test. The candidate number 0523, the candidate's name Musab Abdallah, the candidate center code 001AC, the center name Zincook for Continuous Education Kampala. Welcome, Musab. Our speaking test consists of introduction. We already did introduce you, Musab. Then we have warm up from 2 to 3 minutes. We are not assessing this part. Then we have part 1, which is assessed. It's an interview. It goes from 2 to 3 minutes. Then we have part 2, which is a short talk. It goes from 3 to 4 minutes. And the last part, which is discussion, also goes to 3 to 4 minutes. Now we start with warm up. This is not assessed. How are you, Musab?
I'm fine, thank you.
How was your journey to the center this morning?
Our teacher rented for us a bus because here we are too much and we came here.
Okay, and okay, thank you. Now we start our first part of this speaking test, which is interview. Musab, can you please tell me why do you like going shopping?
I like to go shopping in Friends Supermarket because it's near to our home and everything there is accessible. You can find anything you want. Also, people, the employees there are very good and they.
Now we move to part 2 of this exam, which is a short talk. I am going to give you a speaking card. You read it or you study it for 1 minute. You make a mind map because you are not allowed to write any notes. Then after 1 minute, you are going to be given.
The first choice is to go to an apartment in the city, which is good and not good at the same time. It's good because everything there is accessible. The apartment there is very comfortable, and also you can find anything you want there. Also, the city is beautiful, not like the countryside houses. But there's some disadvantages, like there's too much noise there, and there's no fresh air because of the factories in the city. The second choice is the house in the countryside. It is a good choice because there's less noise there, and also fresh air because there's no factories there. But there's so many animals, and I think it is not a good thing because they are going to make the place a little bit dirty. If I'm going to choose one of them, I'm going to choose to live in the city because everything there is accessible.
Thank you. Can I get back the speaking card? Okay, now Musab, we move to the last part of the speaking test, which is the discussion. Built on your choice, you said you have chosen to live in the city rather than to live in the countryside. What are the solutions that you think should be provided in order to stop the air pollution in the city?
To just move the factories from the main places in the city.
And what about the noise?
For the noise, I don't think there is a solution for it because that is the nature of the city. It's just like this forever.
Okay, I remember you said in the countryside there is no pollution. What about the noise pollution that is met by animals?
I think this you have to put them in a farm to reduce the noise.
Thank you, Musab. Here we end our speaking test for the IGCSE English as a Second Language 0510. Thank you very much.
Thank you.